Hello there, and welcome to Entrée and Tales. I'm Professor Cogsworth, your friendly guide through the fascinating world of culinary history. Ever wondered about the origins of your favorite foods? From ancient kitchens to modern marvels, every dish has a story to tell. Here at Entrée and Tales, we dive deep into the history of food, uncovering the quirky, surprising, and sometimes mysterious tales behind the meals we enjoy today. Gear up for some gastronomic history. You'll discover cool facts, fascinating traditions, and even try your hand at historical recipes. Plus, we have a bit of fun with my steampunk flair. Whether you're a history buff, a food lover, or just curious about the world around you, there's something here for everyone. So if you're ready to wind the clock back and explore the delicious history of food, hit that subscribe button and join me on this tasty adventure.